Hello, hello, my amazing artists, and today we are going to do one of my favorite fall activities and do a one-day fun day project together. All right, we are going to need some crayons. The best ones work without the wrappers. We're going to use these in all different fall colors. And we're going to need a texture plate of a leaf so that we can make leaf rubbings. All right, we have our plain paper. Copy paper works best. We're going to take our paper and put it on top of our rubbing plate. And then we're just going to pick a color that works for us. I'm going to start with brown. And we take the side of the crayon. Oops. We're going to take the side of the crayon and we're just going to rub. Nice. And it picks up the shape of the leaf that's underneath. Let's see a little closer. Excellent. Now we're going to try to fill up our paper with these leaves. So I'm going to rub one more, but this time I'm going to change the color. Nice. Now, if you are bored with your shape of your leaf, you can trade with a friend. All right, or go to the bucket and get a different one. You only get one of these at a time. When you're finished filling up your paper, you're going to get out your scissors. So you're going to carefully sit at your seat to cut these out. No, you don't have to go perfectly on the lines. What we're going to do is trim around the shape. And sometimes I just like to cut them out of the big paper first, because this is an easier paper to hold. And we're just going to go around the shape. Like I said, we don't have to go on the line because that's really tricky, even for an old art teacher like me. When you're finished, you're going to throw out your scraps. And we're going to save these leaves because we're going to put them on our group mural together. Remember, when you use glue to glue these on the group mural, one dot holds a lot. All right, happy texture rubbing, friends.